Hi guys, SEO Viewer here. Today we're going to be talking about adding YouTube tags to your videos. If you decide to add these tags into your videos, uh, it's important not to spend too much time in deciding which tags are going to go on these videos. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to the YouTube tags tool, and we're going to type in a main keyword or topic, even niche. In my case, I'm going to be doing telescope reviews. And the content niche, you can also include the video title and the video description so you get more tailored tags, but I believe this is enough. So I'll be keeping it in science. And what this will do is it'll generate a whole host of tags for you based on the categories and short tail keywords, long tail keywords, trending tags, niche tags, semantic tags, competitor inspired tags, and AI suggested tags. If you don't want to have them grouped by category, you can just go to alt tag and it'll show you the type and the score as well. But instead, we'll take a handful and you can just check off the keywords that you're interested in, and there'll be a rating for the score. And it's best just to take a handful from each of these categories. And as you check these tags off, if you scroll up to the top here, you can see it'll keep track of the tags you use as well as the character count. More often than not, you're going to be meeting your character count before you even meet the tag limit usage. So if you're in YouTube Studio uploading a video, you can copy the tags from here and paste it into there. Or if you want to save this for later, you can export the tags as a CSV file and then upload it to YouTube that way and put the tags on your videos that way. If this content is helpful to you and you're interested in using this tool, I've included affiliate links in both the video description as well as the pinned comment. Thanks for your time as always, and I hope the content here is helpful to you.